The conversation AI is constantly learning, growing, and changing as it responds to customers. However, in some instances, you want a specific response. Now you can configure specific conditions or instructions within the knowledge base as signals for the AI to explicitly invoke its content when the scenarios are met. Let's learn how. Head to the Conversation AI tab inside the AI Agents section and create or edit an agent. In the Bot Training section, click Add Knowledge Base Trigger. Select your desired knowledge base from the drop-down menu. Enter your triggering instructions, then click Save. This helps your AI agent provide more accurate and standardized responses, allowing the AI to autonomously decide when to query the knowledge base if conditions aren't set or met, and retrieve information when properly matched. This feature improves response accuracy and reliability, giving you more deterministic control, better responses, and reducing missed information. We hope you enjoy it.